I've spent years exploring social VR platforms, and I recently came across an app that maps the metaverse in a single interface. It's called Teleportal, and it was created by the Virtual Worlds Museum. Before going into this review, I'd like to mention that I edited this spatial video by using Movavi software. Movavi offers a wide range of affordable tools for video creators on any platform for both 2D and 3D video. If you're interested in subscribing to Movavi, use the promo code MindEyeMedia to receive 15% off an annual subscription. This offer is valid until August 15th. Teleportal is currently available on the Metastore. It was designed by the Virtual Worlds Museum, an organization devoted to documenting the history of the metaverse, including platforms that are no longer active. The app converts years of that documentation into a clear, navigable experience built for education, discovery, and cultural preservation. When you open Teleportal, a navigation interface appears on your left controller. You can use it to search for a specific VR platform by scrolling through a preloaded list or typing a name directly by using the on-screen keyboard. The second way to navigate is through Teleportal's three-dimensional map. VR platform names are organized into constellation-like arrangements that are grouped into different categories. Categories such as games, blockchain, and WebXR. Each node in a constellation represents a specific platform. The central node, which connects all arrangements, belongs to the Virtual Worlds Museum itself. You can use your thumbsticks to move through the map, either pulling back to view the full arrangement or zooming in to read the names within specific clusters. When you point at a node with your right controller, a brief summary of that platform appears near your hand. Selecting a name from the left controller or pressing the A button on the right controller while a node is highlighted opens your headset browser to that platform's webpage. In some cases, it will open a Metastore listing directly. The app is also designed to be updated as new platforms are added. One additional feature worth noting: if you already have a platform installed on your MetaQuest headset, selecting that platform's node will open the app directly from within Teleportal. I found Teleportal to be easy to use and well-stocked with useful information about what is currently available in the Metaverse. However, when your headset browser or the Metastore app opens, the navigation menu and its keyboard freeze in position. I would recommend moving the menu to the side before selecting any external links so that it does not block your view. Overall, Teleportal is best suited for MetaQuest users who want a structured, browsable overview of the current social VR landscape, and for creators who need a reliable reference when researching platforms. Outside of Teleportal, the Virtual Worlds Museum also has a YouTube channel called Teleportal TV, and its virtual location can be visited on VR Chat. Thanks for watching this review. Please click like and subscribe to see more VR videos, and please feel free to leave comments below.